Have a good day, teacher. I have opportunity to talk about the danger of a single story. This is literature is by written by Chimamanda Adichie. I consider it very interesting because he writes the story about her life. Is considered because express the problems, situations transcurred in her life. And now, for me, the point of this history is the different situation. One of them is the history. When in the moment the person born is in this time start to write the story of the, his life. In this moment, you start to write one story, and then you express the different situation do you live. For example, you have a graduate of the school, after you graduate university, then have work, you married, you have sons, you have good work, infinity. But in that moment, you have opportunity, and then you can change that. It depends on you. Remember that God open the windows you need in your life. The society is very important in, in actuality because it's the groups of people who relate to each other according to certain rules and legals and custom or, and at the same time organizations. The remember is important the culture or civilization in the certain space of time. Uh, Actually, the people is depends on you or what do you do is recognized in the society, the culture. In a world of many countries or the world, but the country have different cultures and these the different language, these different customs. But the importance of the culture is the union because do you know have opportunity to work in another country? You have opportunity to go with your family and live there, or your son maybe can marry with uh, Indians or Chinese or U.S. American people, Arabic or South America, South Africa, sorry. It depends, but it's important to learn about another cultures, but for have a good future in the work. Social crime is a pyramid on the big world because the lower class, the middle class, in the upper class. Do you know, in this moment I consider I actually me is a middle class. Very happy for that because I have everything. I have work, I have good health, and my family. I need something, but I comfortable in my life. Sometimes the upper class uh, have everything, but sometimes uh, don't have good friends or really friends. Only have friends to need something of them, and all the world have a discrimination. Have for the skin, for the national, or for fats, or big thing, short, tall, and have problems to walk, or have problems to see, to speak, and that's problems have all the time, but you can change and you like that because everybody is humans have hard walls in the same opportunity do you have everybody have for me is now the change to this situation.